Make your lips soft with bubble gum. Rub Nutella onto your body and moisturize your lips with Nesquik. Oreo is not just for eating, and Fanta is not just for drinking. Find out how to turn your favorite sweets into makeup in our new video. It is boiling hot in the city. A cold drink can save Betty and me from the heat. But what to do with our chapped lips? They've dried out under the hot sun. I've got an idea. Pamper your lips with Fanta-flavored lip scrub. Cover a small jar with a few layers of orange paint. Cut out a Fanta logo and paint its edges, and hot glue it to the cap of the jar. Pour 1 tablespoon of Fanta into 1.5 ounces of sugar. Add a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it and put it into a container. We take out a signature orange pot and apply the Fanta and sugar mixture to the lips. You can also eat it. The lips become so smooth. Drink Fanta and eat the lip scrub. The orange mood will make your day. It's boring and there's nothing to do. I've got an idea. I know a special place, but it must be a surprise. No peeking. Dinosaurs are my favorite animals. I love these cute little paws. I also want my friend to enjoy it. I cover her eyes and lead her to the cutest dinosaur, Albert. I get her right to the jaws. She is so naive. She hopes that she's going to meet Johnny Depp. Betty screams out loud as soon as she opens her eyes. This is obviously not Johnny. She didn't expect to end up in a Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs are surrounding her. I need to get out of this dino land. Which way is the exit? Giant lizards are everywhere. Teeth, wings, and tails are all the way around me. Well, it seems that I've gone too far this time. Betty is terrified and doesn't even want to talk to me. I need to fix everything right now. One bounty won't be enough here, but a bounty-flavored EOS is a different story. Take a coconut filling out of a bounty bar. We need 1/3 ounce. Add 2/3 ounces of white lip balm. Melt it in a microwave. Take apart an empty EOS container. Screw the middle grid onto the cap. Pour in the coconut mixture and let it harden. Assemble the container. My friend cheers up when she sees the container. It smells better than a pterodactyl and tastes nicer. It means that my apology is accepted. The conflict with my friend became extinct like the dinosaurs did. Let's scrutinize the selfies we took in the park. Blondie has prepared a whole box of Oreo cookies. But why is it so heavy? There's a surprise gift hidden in it next to the cookies. That's a jar of Oreo scrub. Cover the cap of a jar with acrylic paint. Attach an Oreo cookie picture to it. Take apart 6 chocolate cookies and remove the filling. Crush the cookies. Put in 1 ounce of coconut oil to the cookie filling. Add 1 ounce of Vaseline. Melt it in a microwave. Pour the mixture into the crushed cookies. Mix it and put it into the jar. The scrub smells like the chocolate cookies. Betty wants to dip her cookie in it. Don't do it! This is a body scrub and not an Oreo dessert. It makes your skin smooth and sweet. And here are real cookies for a snack. Betty blows bubblegum like a pro. How can she pull it off? Does she have a special method of doing it? Or maybe she put special balm on her lips. From this tube, for instance. I also want to apply it to my lips, but my friend stops me. There is regular bubblegum in this tube. Chew and blow. Meanwhile, a brilliant idea comes to mind. Why not combine our 2 favorite things? Let's make an EOS from bubblegum. Put a little beeswax in 1 ounce of Vaseline. Add pink eyeshadow. Put in some sweet-smelling bubblegum from the tube and melt everything in a microwave. Pour it into an empty EOS container cap. Put it into a freezer. When the lip balm hardens, assemble the container. Can you chew bubblegum blowing up the biggest bubble? Easy! Just don't forget to take the bubble off your nose. And how should you protect your lips after it? Simple! Apply sweet EOS to your lips and you can even blow up 1,000,000 bubbles one after another. Taking a ride on the Ferris wheel wasn't the best idea. I totally forgot that Betty is afraid of heights. She trembles, hiccups, and gets the jitters. I have to do something urgently. We are going higher and higher, and Tree seems so small from here. My friend wants to get away from the cabin, but I'm afraid she won't be able to reach the sea. She nearly faints, ready to call 911. Here you are. Eat some gummy bears. Candies reduce stress. Keep breathing. At last, our cabin stops. Hooray! We are on the ground. Everything is over. My friend was so nervous that she bit up her lips. She definitely needs a smoothing balm after this horror ride. Take mine. It's balm with a gummy bear extract. Take the best 6 red gummy bears. Add a bit of beeswax and add half an ounce of cocoa butter. Add some face powder for a matte finish. Put it into a microwave. Pour the melted lip balm into an EOS container. Let it harden. At last, Betty calms down. The lip balm is not only soft, it's also sweet. I can't wait to apply it to my lips and remove that awful Ferris wheel from my memory. Blondie is late again. I have to wait for her for ages. She finally appears. At first, I smell the sweet scent of cocoa, and then I see the reason why she is late. She's been making Nesquik lip balm. Cut off the bendy part of a cocktail straw and hot glue it to the cap of a small plastic pot. Attach a small Nesquik logo to the pot. Add a bit of Nesquik to an ounce of Vaseline. Melt it in a microwave. Mix it and pour into the pot. Close it with the cap and let it harden. This sweet lip balm is the right bait for every sweet tooth. I don't like my regular cocoa anymore. I want to taste Nesquik on my lips. It smells great. I just want to eat the balm right from the pot. Someone's left a whole jar of Nutella in the bathroom. We have a secret sweet tooth. The label says, "Don't eat." Is it some kind of game? I ask my friend why this mysterious Nutella is in our bathroom. It appears to be a sweet body scrub. Mix 2 ounces of Nutella chocolate spread with 1 ounce of ground coffee. You can also take used coffee grounds. Pour heavy cream into the mixture. We need 1 fluid ounce. Mix it and leave the scrub in the Nutella jar. Attach a warning sign to the lid. I apply the scrub to my skin. Yummy! I smell like chocolate. Now I just have to wash it off and enjoy my smooth skin. We need to keep skin hydrated when we're having a heat wave like this. Blondie takes some drastic measures. She puts her hands under a stream of water. Keep calm, mermaid. You don't have to dive into a fountain. You'd rather try my special hydrating cream. Put sweet mento mints around the bottom of a clear jar. Pour body cream in the container. Put the mints on top also all the way around. Attach a Mentos label to the lid. Blondie opens up the jar. The cream smells amazing. I'm looking forward to applying it to my body. Hydrating and nice smell in one jar. My friend can't figure out the secret ingredient in my cream. This is Mentos. I have a craving for something sweet. Yuck! These candies have been here since the Mesozoic era. Ha! I remember having my stash. I've got Snickers. It's so delicious. Or, I'd rather make it healthy. Let's add Snickers to lip balm. Attach a Snickers logo to a cap of a small pot. Cut half an ounce of a Snickers bar into tiny pieces. Add 1 ounce of cocoa butter and put it into a microwave. Put the melted balm into the pot and place it in a freezer. The Snickers lip balm is a double pleasure. If there is no chocolate on hand, this lip balm will be a great substitution for it. Did you like our sweet ideas? Then write in your comments which candy you are going to turn into makeup. Will you transform Nutella into body scrub? Will you put some bubble gum into lip balm or add Mentos to cream? And don't forget to give your thumbs.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that